Hello, do you have the same problem like me? The build fails cause an unknown structure here. Then I show you how to fix it. First of all, we have to find out which structure. So here we have raw design struct in this class. So I go in my one player drift and here I search for the get design from player code, how in the log file is shown. Then here I check out the type. It is struct player properties. And then I search for it and I find the structure here. I open it. I don't need to open it. I rename it. Properties and double S. Rename. Now it's saving the asset and is reassigning the things. I name it back to the original name, and when I build now, it works. Good luck.